So let's get started. The first place is Costco, and I saw that they were having this set. It's by Bare Minerals. It's the matte foundation and brush. Great price. I got the one fairly light just because I knew I wasn't going to be using it until the fall winter time when I'm losing my tan, so I thought I would go with fairly light. You do get two, and I remember using Bare Minerals a very long time ago and liking it, and I've been into powder foundations lately. They're so much easier to use, so I picked this up. Next is a sports bra. It is by Puma, again from Costco. This is the 2-pack medium impact seamless sports bra, and I wear sports bras primarily to go to sleep in over my PJs. I just feel more comfortable sleeping in it like that, and I have several from Macy's, the Calvin Klein brand, and they're just so comfortable. But they're showing their wear and tear, so I decided to get another set, and these were $9.99 for two from Costco, and the reviews were amazing. So this is how they look. They're full coverage. I like that the straps are adjustable. It is a racer back, and it's moisture wicking, so that's a plus for me because I sweat, and I do like the full coverage. It just makes everything feel more secure. Let's see. So I mentioned the adjustable straps. It says 360 seamless comfort, moisture wicking, and the cups are removable. Now I got the gray and the black ones in here. They do have the white, and I forgot what the second color was. But if you're around, well, do they have the size chart on here? They don't, but online I know they do, and it was free shipping. These were so popular, they were on back order for several weeks, so I did try it on, and they feel great. If I like them a lot, I'll probably get another set. Okay, next is from, oh, you know what? I was going to say Target, but I'll just add the one thing from Wegmans. This is the Jason Calming Lavender Body Wash, and I thought, again, since work has started, why not get something that's supposed to be a little bit calming and relaxing, because I take my shower at night and just wash the day away. Then we have from Target, I've been hearing about this for several years, never got a chance to pick it up until now. This is the number 7 Total Renewal Microdermabrasion Exfoliator. So excited to try this. I've just heard several good things. I was watching somebody on Instagram stories, and they mentioned they love this makeup sponge. It's by Sonia Kashuk, and we'll see. My favorite still is a Beauty Blender, and I've tried several beauty sponges, so I don't know. It wasn't that expensive either for this, just that one. And then the last thing from Target is this Art Natural Serum. It's vitamin C. I've been raving about it, and I just thought that I would try this brand and see. Okay, oh, next, my sister, she had used my referral for getting a starter box for the FabFitFun, and in her box came this, I think it's pronounced Way, or I don't know. It's a leave-in conditioner. I'm so excited to use this. I love things for my hair, oils, conditioners, anti-frizz stuff, so yay. Also, from her, what is this? From her Sephora Playbox, she gave me the Clinique Moisture Surge and the Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. Now, I don't really blow out my hair, but I'll still use this. Excited about that. And then I guess I'll start with some Amazon things. This is the Acne Patch by La Couche, and you get 72 pieces. I did use this one product because my face was breaking out terribly. You can kind of see the remnants of the disaster, but you get 2 sheets of these and different sizes. I think it's just 2 different sizes, one big and one small. I used it a couple of times. It didn't work the one time, so, and that was the same for I got these because I tried one from Target, the Hero Cosmetics brand one, and that worked good too. It didn't work 100% of the time, so I'm going to keep on trying this and seeing if it's worth it to, if it's better just to pay more for the one at Target than the one on Amazon, which this one was much cheaper. Okay, I also got Members of St. Ives apricot scrub. I used to love that. I thought I would try the Amazon brand Solimo. I don't know, we'll see. My sister also got me, I'm not sure she got this from Amazon. It's to apply face masks. Right now I use a makeup brush, so I'm excited to try the silicone one. She got me these clips. Love that. I'm obsessed with marble, so that's gonna look cute. And then just to show you this bucket, I got this bucket to do foot soaks and things like that with Epsom salt, and that's something that I have not used yet. Okay, next from Amazon, my sister, I don't have it with me. It is the Brita Premium Filtering Water Bottle. I normally am fine drinking from the tap, especially in New York. I think it's pretty good. But for some reason, the water's been tasting really weird lately. So my sister got me this because I was using her old one, and she just surprised me with a new one. And it looks like that, and it's really nice to have just fresh tasting water all the time. Okay, next is, these are recyclable or reusable produce mesh bags, and I have been trying to reduce my plastic use, and I didn't even think about this until I was watching Candid Mommy. I'm sure a lot of you know about her on YouTube. She had shown a grocery haul and she was using these, and I was like, whoa, that thought hadn't even crossed my mind. So I picked up this set. There's several, there's 3 sizes. I just want to pull out each of the sizes so you can see. And I just thought, what a great way to reduce your use of plastic. So you get this large one, and then there's a bit smaller, the green, with the green tag, and then the last one is this small one. And most of them, I think all of them come with a drawstring, and I thought, I just love this idea. So I'm gonna be using that for shopping. And then again, for my sister, this is kind of like a laundry hamper for behind in the bathroom, if you wanted to put it, for towels and other things you want to wash. She's using it and it looks great. And then, just to round up the last few things here. And where's the other thing that I want to, oh, it's on the floor there. Hold on one second. Okay, so the last couple things here is Uniqlo Ultra Stretch pants. They are tapered at the bottom. Love this kind of camel green color. These are fantastic. If you sweat like me and you're looking for something lightweight, these are great. They have pockets in them. I use these for pajamas, and again, I think I've mentioned a couple of times, it's starting to get, you know, we're gonna get into fall and then winter. I don't like to when I'm sleeping, I don't like to sweat, so I still like to have some type of warmth, but not like totally like hot. So these are nice, thin, and love these. I have another pair that I wear all the time, and it was time to get another pair. And then the last thing I'm going to share with you is a new lunchbox. I didn't need one, but I've been wanting something like this for a long time, and I thought, why not just get it for this school year. It is this neoprene, which those types of bags are very stretchy and you can fit a lot. There's also, I do have something very similar to this, but it doesn't have the front pocket here, which it's a nice front pocket. I could put bars and napkins and other little things. And then the main reason is because it has a long strap. Most of my lunch bags don't have a strap, and I have to hold it by hand, and I tend to bring a lot of stuff with me to work, probably because I commute and I'm able to put a lot of things in the car, but this makes it easier to be hands-free, and I could just put it on my shoulder and get into work. So that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it.